Luminette Privacy Sheers from Hunter Douglas offer a wide range of light control options, with a sheer face fabric to let light in and attached soft fabric vanes that rotate to keep light out. For easy operation, select the combination wand cord system. Pull the cord to traverse the fabric and twist the wand to rotate the vanes. Or select the traveling wand that both traverses the fabric and rotates the vanes. With our exclusive soft track system, the headrail is completely concealed when the shear is drawn closed. Our PowerView motorization system allows you to choose from a selection of controls, such as the Pebble Scene Controller. Select a pre-programmed scene that will transform the light and mood in your home to create the right ambiance for any moment. Be sure to consider all the control options available with our PowerView motorization. Luminette Privacy Sheers from Hunter Douglas.